Music make you lose control. Music make you lose control.
Let's go.
Hey everybody, it's Lisbeth
and Angeli,
and welcome to our mukbang! Okay, so today we're eating Antonio's Pizza. It's a pizzeria by my house, and we're eating Buffalo Wild Wings, and we also have pink drinks. Yeah, sister.
Yeah.
We have been waiting all day, bro.
Literally.
All right, I'm so excited to eat. Okay.
Oh my goodness, I've been waiting for these wings all day. Literally.
The fries kind of go soft.
I know.
Oh my god, my mouth is like.
Oh, these fries. Oh my gosh.
That's so good.
I'm so happy.
It's amazing. Okay. So we got traditional, we got boneless. So the traditional ones are medium, and the boneless are spicy garlic, and the spicy garlic is so good. Okay. So we're gonna do questions, and we're gonna do questions about us, so you guys can get to like kind of know us like on our first video. So, okay. What's one thing that you can't leave the house without?
My phone. Duh.
I can't leave the house without eyebrows.
Literally.
I always have my eyebrows on.
It was on my phone.
That's not going to be a video. You okay? Oh my god.
Oh my god,
Oh my god. You're gonna die.
Literally.
Okay. Favorite brand of makeup?
Fenty right now.
She doesn't do makeup. I do makeup. I do her face. All she knows how to do is concealer and foundation.
But I would say, like, Fenty's the good one right now.
I think I really like I like Tarte.
Oh yeah.
I like Tarte a lot. Yeah. Favorite flower?
Roses.
I like sunflowers.
Roses is my favorite.
You guys like my shirt? If you're a Harry Styles fan, you already know. Treat people with kindness.
Okay.
Okay. Favorite colors?
My favorite color is purple.
Mine is white. I know it's not a color, but I really love the color white. It's so pretty.
She loves that color. And nude. I like nude.
What color nude? Look at Chanel. You can't see her.
How real people eat chicken wings.
I don't know how to eat chicken wings. I'm like, I don't know how people like suck the bones and stuff. That's disgusting.
No, that's not. It's so good.
Comment below if you leave some chicken or
If you're like
suck
me,
the bone.
and you suck the bone, and don't leave any chicken.
Comment if you're like me. Comment if you're like her. We literally.
Honestly, guys, Starbucks pink drink, it's super good.
I put her on.
Super good. Let's taste the pizza. So I am going to take a cheese pizza first. Yeah, come on. So good. And I want.
What's your favorite song right now?
By Beyonce, Jay-Z. Sorry if we're not allowed to curse.
My favorite song right now. I'm really into Billie Eilish. So I've just been having like her album on repeat for like months now. I think my favorite song on her album is I Don't Want to Be You Anymore. It's pretty slow.
So good.
My tongue's kind of burning.
Mine too.
So we decided to do mukbangs because I was like really into like ASMR, and like it started off with like my obsession with sushi. So I don't like sushi. Neither of us like sushi.
No, we don't.
But
we just like to see when people eat sushi.
Yeah.
Like it satisfies us.
it like satisfies us because we don't eat it, so we enjoy other people that do eat it, and we just like watch them eat it. But like we wish we liked sushi. It's just like sushi looks amazing.
But it doesn't taste how it looks.
Yeah, if that makes sense. Cause I don't like seafood that much, but
I love seafood, but
it's just
sushi's just not my.
I tasted one with like I don't know if it's an avocado roll or whatever, but it has cream cheese and avocado in it.
Did it have crab, like imitation crab?
I think so, or like salmon probably. I don't remember. That one wasn't so bad. I think it's because I like cream cheese and avocado.
I like avocado, and I like the cream cheese, but maybe I didn't like it because it was too cold. Like, it wasn't like fresh. It was already like in the fridge.
Let me look at questions. I wish we had like a big following already, so that people could like ask us random questions.
Guys, ask us questions that you want to know about us in the comments below.
Okay. We should do the basic things. So, I'm Lizbeth. She's Anjali. I'm named after my mom.
I was named after a model on television.
My name, does your name make up any anagram? Mine is LRR, and every time I would play like on Xbox or whatever, like the controllers, it has like LR on it, and like I'd be like, oh, that's my name, like
Mine's good.
Yours AA.
Yeah, because my last
Double
name.
A batteries.
True.
So, if you had to change your first name, what would it be? I like Sophia.
I want it to be like an Ashley.
Ew. You look like an Anjali.
Yeah, you look like a Elizabeth.
I like Isabella or Sophia. People like, when I tell my name to people, like they're like, Isabel? Elizabeth? I'm like, no, it's Lizbeth. I'm like,
Mine's is so difficult. Oh my god.
maybe Chanel. Chanel's her dog.
Every time I tell people my name is Anjali, they be like, Angie? I'm like, I know I said Anjali. Or they be like, Angeline? I'm like, what? Like, literally repeat what I say.
Tomato.
Anjali.
Where are you from?
I am.
We were both born here.
Yeah, but our parents, well, my parents are Cuban, both of them.
And mine are Panamanian, both of them.
See how we're best friends, guys?
We live across, like, the street from each other. Like
Like,
my
literally.
house, her house. Well, no. Yeah.
Yeah.
My house, your house.
We're both corner houses.
Yeah.
Literally.
We were born here in Miami, Florida.
Mm-hmm.
305, or wait.
Wait, how
I
do you
was
do
like
it?
this, 305.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
Oh, but it's this way since they're on the camera. Wait, how the hell? Oh. 305 gang. Woo. Comment down if you're from Florida.
They're gonna kill us in the comments.
Oh!
305.
Who did you look up to growing up?
My mother. I've always been proud of her. She came to the United States when she was 21 with my with my dad, like all alone, just them two, and we've got it this far. Like, you know.
I'd say the same, but mine was Hannah Montana.
Why? Because she lived the best of both worlds.
Totally. I wanted to be Hannah Montana. I loved her. I looked up to Dora. I love Dora.
Oh my goodness.
That's my girl.
What is Dora doing with her life now?
She's going on an adventure with Boots. What are your best characteristics?
Good question.
Me? A lot of people may disagree because they don't know who I am. But that's okay, boo, because you still watching me though. But
I'm very kind and genuine.
I'm humble. I'm really blunt.
She is. Don't take anything she says serious.
I'll literally tell you stuff straight up. I'm an Aries. You know, we're the leader of the pack. You know. Similar to you, Scorpio. Similar to you.
I'm a Scorpio.
I hate you.
We're very stubborn. You know what I mean.
I hate you. We gotta be like honey. Like honey, she just stares into the camera. She's like, which of your parents are you closest to? My mom.
I say my mom.
I think most girls have a stronger connection with their mom.
Literally.
But
I'm getting full.
Hmm?
I'm getting full.
Which of your parents are you most like?
My mom.
I think I'm like. I think I'm my dad. My dad's really goofy.
I'm a mixture.
Yeah.
I'm a mixture of my mom and dad.
I have my mom's attitude and I have my dad's goofiness.
Yeah, same.
Like my dad's legit.
Like my mom's goofy too, but you know how moms are. They when it's time to get serious, they get serious.
What would your parents have named you if you were the opposite gender?
After my dad.
My name would have been Lorenzo. Like, what the hell is... I'm sorry if your name is Lorenzo out there. I just don't like that name for me. That's my dad's name.
I would have been a Raphael because that's my dad's name.
Oh my god, you would have been a Ninja Turtle. Then, my dad wanted to name me Carolina.
Ooh.
Carolina. I don't like that name. Do I look like a Carolina?
No. Not at all. Still. I wish I had an easy name.
Like, now I have like, this is custom made, of course, because there's not gonna be no Lisbeth necklaces and like Justice or whatever, or in Claire's.
Every time we go like to Orlando, can never find my name on no keychain, on no souvenir cup. Like, come on now.
It would always be like Liz, L-I-Z, and then Beth, and then like, who's gonna buy 2 keychains just for like one name? Low key, the wings like upset my stomach.
I think it's because we waited too long.
But yeah. What is the most important thing in your life? My dog Toby. He's the love of my life. I don't care. I love my dog.
The most important thing in my life. Dude, money. I'm just kidding. I don't know. I think the best thing in life is just live life. I really can't wait to watch this because we look a mess.
I'm like, Anjali, I'm gonna straighten my hair and we're gonna film our mukbang. And we're gonna sit down and eat. And, you know, but no. because she's working, I'm working, and then like our like schedules like not
conflicted.
Like, yeah, like, and it's crazy because we live right in front of each other, but we have family members. Hers are currently on a cruise right now, but
living life while I'm over here lonely.
she's with me. I'm watching her because
she's my babysitter.
I'm younger than her. She's 20 and I'm 18. And Jelly and I have known each other like our whole lives.
I was 3.
She was 3, and I was recently like just born. So I've been living at that house for 18 years. And Jelly and I just grew up together. Like
literally.
And we haven't gotten sick of each other. We're gonna be best friends for life, I know that. Like some people on YouTube, I'm not like shading anyone exactly, but I know that I know that like there's like some YouTubers out there that they do like videos with their best friends or whatever, and then they're not with that best friend anymore. Like they're like.
But like that's when fame comes into play. Like one takes it to the head.
Mm-hmm.
Or they're rather than friends, but like
people just like cause problems or whatever. Like if you have like new friends, like you like lose them quickly.
of course.
Like that's why like
They don't know you.
You have to be friends with somebody like since you were like little, and then like grow up with that person, because people now like they're just like so like quick to like change on you.
Of course. You don't know.
But like Angeli already knows. She can't break up with me.
I tried to, guys.
Girl, you live right in front of me. What you mean you try to? You can't get away from me even if you wanted to.
I'm just kidding.
We literally fight all the time.
All the time. Because she always wants to argue with me. Okay, maybe it's the other way around.
It's you. You're the first one that always wants to argue with me. I'm just like,
sorry, I'm a Scorpio. That's what we do. We like to be right.
well, you're wrong always.
Not always. Most of the time. 90%.
99.9%.
We did lose one of our most precious baby, Honey. May she rest in peace.
Honey is my dog Toby and my dog Bella. They had puppies and they have 5 beautiful puppies. And
that we miss so dearly much.
yeah, I have one of them. His name is Gordo. So
he's so cute, guys.
Yeah, I'll like put a picture. It's Gordo, Honey, TJ, Toby Jr., Mia, and Oscar. I love Oscar so much. Oscar was like the cutest one.
How is he now?
His name is Bruno.
Oh my god. Why didn't you just keep him?
And
he
then,
looked like an Oscar.
Yeah, and then TJ's name is Taco.
But
whatever. The breed is Chihuahua.
Mixed
with the poodle Shih Tzu. It's a mutt. Yeah.
Literally. But they're so cute. They're so cute. Literally, they would not let us sleep.
Can you touch your toes with your touch your toes? Can you touch your nose with your tongue?
No.
Oh, boss.
How the hell? You're long.
Can you close your eyes and raise your eyebrows?
Close your eyes and raise your. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure, everyone can do that.
That's a good question. Can you whistle?
No, I can't.
You can't. I can. See for yourself.
I can't. Oh my gosh, why did you do that? I have 2 beautiful
dogs. I can't
doggies.
She's over there.
This is Lily.
Hi, 𝑒𝓁𝒾𝓈𝒷𝓒𝓚.
She is a Pekingese and she's been with us for 11 years. I'm not sure what type of breed.
You said 11. This is Chanel. She's a Chihuahua. She's annoying as hell.
She is, but she's my baby.
Do you have any tattoos?
I do. I have one. My little heart.
She has a heart tattoo right here. I'm getting a tattoo. I want treat people with kindness and
I'm getting another one. I'm getting God is greater than your highs and lows.
Can you let me speak?
No! Literally us all day.
I'm getting treat people with kindness here. What I have on my shirt because I love Harry Styles that much.
It's like her husband.
And then under here I want like a rose. Be basic. And then I want the name Honey. Honey's my favorite word. I love the word honey. And our nickname for each other is Honey Booby. So like,
Honey.
she'll call me Honey, and then I call her Booby. But sometimes we call each other both Booby. Booby! So, yeah. Are you an organ donor? I am.
I am. Of course. 100%. Everyone should become an organ donor.
You guys should become an organ donor if you are not.
Please.
Don't believe what people say like at the hospital and stuff that like oh if you're an organ donor and you're on like your deathbed or whatever, they're not gonna try to save you. Yes.
Yes, they will.
If you have family that's there to support you and stuff, of course they're gonna save you.
They will save you to the last minute.
Yeah. I'm so passionate about this because my aunt died from a double lung transplant.
Recently.
She has, I forgot what the illness is called, but it was basically like excessive iron in the lungs, and she's had that since she was born. And most people don't live up to like 15 years old or
18. I think she was supposed to die at 18
or something like that. But she's lived up to 45 years. And
We're
she's
very, very
super
proud of
blessed.
her.
Yeah. And
it was really hard for the both of us.
Yeah. The person the person died, but they're still living on another person. And thanks to that person for passing away and stuff, my aunt was able to be with us for another 5 months. And may she rest in peace. So yeah, become an organ donor. Save lives.
I have like chicken in my teeth.
You do? Okay, guys, we're really full.
Literally.
Quality in video and stuff is gonna get better. My camera lens.
Bear with us.
We didn't even eat that much.
Literally. I mean, we left 3 wings. So it's not that bad.
Wait. We have to introduce ourselves as the la Latina gang.
You know what our intro should be? I like it like that. Because they say Latino gang.
Yeah, Latino. I'll figure it out. Or it should be like the ending of it.
It could be.
It could be the outro. We're gonna be the Latina gang, cause L for Elizabeth and then A for Angeli. So
But we don't live in LA, but it's okay.
Yeah. So it's gonna be LA gang. So like Latina, has an L in the front and an A in the end. So that's Latina, Elizabeth, Angeli. So yeah, we thought about that. We're really proud of that. So. Thanks for eating with us. I hope you enjoyed our first mukbang. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click that button down below and support us. And yeah, comment down what foods you'd like to see us
eat next.
So yeah, bye
Stay
guys.
tuned.
Latino gang, gang. Gang, gang, yeah.